Hello mga kainaya, gagawa na naman ng kainan ng isang tinapay na sikat sa mga bakery sa kanto. So ayan, meron tayo dito malinis na bowl at kailangan lang natin ay 3/4 cup of softened butter, and then 4 cups all-purpose flour or bread flour, 1 1/4 of eba or fresh milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So first, I need to mix all together the ingredients in one bowl. So I have here around 3/4 cup of butter. Okay. Yung room temperature mga kaina, it's like the spreadable, not so hard, not so watery. And then you can add your granulated sugar, and then your 4 cups of flour, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's it. It's all together until no flour or see the traces of dry flour. It's easy to use a stand mixer, but wala pa ako nun. I don't have that one. I check in online shop. It's so expensive. I can't afford it. Yeah. So I need this. Needing this dough. Like this. It look like pie dough or bread that's very soft. So I think this is enough. No traces of dry flour or no lumps. Smooth. And then combine them. So I'm kneading this for about 1 minute more. Okay. And then I have here pan. I grease it, and then I preheated my oven 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need to bake this around 35 minutes. Okay. So we turn some. Actually, my pan is very big. Okay. Just grate this. Okay. That's it. TV remote. And then we spread this one. I don't know, baby. We spread our dough evenly. Like this. Spread. I think it's so hard to spread one. I don't know what this is. Tap. Okay. I think this is that now. Okay. So I baked this one about 35 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So while I'm baking the dough, so I toast the desiccated coconut mga kaina. Until the aroma is this is not aromatic. The people don't like it, so don't burn in your desiccated coconut. So just toast it about a minute. I think 5 minutes. I think mga kainan, this is enough. So we transfer in a bowl mga kainan, let it cool down. Okay. Smell like a lasik. Okay, we can transfer it to the bowl. Okay. So next mga kainan, mayroon tayo yung cream butter. So and then 1 condensed milk. Yeah, transfer lang mga kainan. Wait until it's wet. So let it dry. And then pour our condensed milk mga kainan. We just simmer this condensed milk. Add a little bit of water. So to bit flavor. Just a splash of water. Desiccated, okay? I think that this is enough. Acidic pa kasi siya mga. So that's it. Let it cool down again. So while we're waiting our dough or the bread, okay? Okay, mga kaina, so do the toothpick test.
So the toothpick comes out clean. So I think this is enough, mga kainan. So let it cool down, mga kainan. Ayan, mga kainan.
So, ikat muna natin mga kaina ang ating bread. Ano ito muna kasi nila siyang ayan, malapit na ito. Ikot lang natin sa ating biscuit. So, ayan mga kaina. I-dip na natin ang ating bread. Ayan, mabilis ang dip lang mga kaina. And then, after that, patuluin ng kaunti. Then, dip in the desiccated coconut. Continue doing this mga kaina until you finish all the bread. Okay? My ubi liquid is not so dark mga kaina. But this is alright. Okay. Oh! Sorry. Okay mga kaina. I continue. Ayan na, kaina. Atin. O, diba? Atin na nyo, ang sarap. O, diba? Yum, yum, yum. Gawa na ng merienda.